Hello everyone! Oh my gosh, my voice is gone.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, my voice is gone because I don't know if you guys know, but I do church and I do worship on the weekends, and I sing a little bit too loud during the weekend. So we're just gonna try to talk normally during this video, but if I sound like a dude, I'm really sorry. I wanted to film a YouTube video today talking about what to bring and what to not bring to college, because everybody always asks me what should I bring, and I'm like, oh, I got you, because I was a freshman last year and now I'm going to be a sophomore going to Biola University this year. So since I do have that experience from last year, I wanted to share some of the things that you should bring and you shouldn't bring to college. I just want to dive into this because, you know, I don't want this video to be like 15 minutes, so let's get started. The number one thing that you should bring to college is pictures. Oh my goodness. You need pictures in your dorm room. They really help out with when you're feeling sad, you're feeling lonely, or you're just wanting to see somebody that you know and be home. So I definitely recommend bringing pictures, and it's nice to see your family, you know, all over your dorm room, or your boyfriend or girlfriend. So I definitely recommend bringing pictures. They're really, really nice to have. The first thing that I recommend to bring to college is a really nice backpack. This is the backpack that I bought last year at the beginning of last year, and it's a North Face, and let me tell you, this backpack is amazing. But yeah, I think it was around like $70, $80, which is really expensive. But honestly, get a really heavy duty backpack. If you can't afford something like a North Face, just get a very sturdy backpack, because you're going to be carrying a lot of books and notebooks. Second thing that I recommend to bring to college is a duffel bag. When I went to college, I had no duffel bag, and I realized that like mid-semester, and I was like, oh my gosh, I never got a duffel bag. Like, I have one at home, but I don't want to pay for one. So make sure to bring yourself when you're moving in, or when you're about to move in, go get yourself a duffel bag, bring one with you, because you're gonna need it when you're gonna go to people's houses, or when you're going places like traveling. So you don't know, you may need it, and a duffel bag is always nice to have. Another thing that I recommend to bring to college is a printer. And some people may disagree with me on this because they may have libraries that have printers, but I thought it was really efficient to have my own printer in my room, because when I got to my room, I would be late to class or something, or say like it was a last minute thing and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to print out something. Thank God I have a printer in my room. I don't have to walk all the way to the library to print out one piece of paper. I recommend getting a Keurig, and some people may not agree with me on this, but I found my Keurig very, very efficient, because sometimes I wouldn't be able to make it to my cafeteria to get coffee, and so in my room I would just make my coffee. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a Keurig, but if it's a coffee maker of some sort, that would work great. But I definitely recommend it because it's very efficient when you're on the go. Another thing that you should bring to college that I didn't think I would need, but I guess I needed it, was medicine. I got sick halfway in between my semester from winter to spring, and it was bad, and I didn't have any medicine with me, and I just didn't think about it. So I definitely recommend getting like Dayquil or NyQuil, Emergency, Airborne, just the basic medicine, because you're gonna need it. What I also recommend on bringing is a 12-foot charger. It's very hard to find outlets, and if you have the regular, I have an iPhone, if you have the regular charger that they give you, it is not long enough to reach to your bed or to do anything. So I definitely recommend getting a longer one, because that's what she said. Definitely recommend getting a 12-foot charger, because you're not going to be able to reach and do anything. Like, if you want to be in bed and look at Twitter or Instagram, you won't be able to charge your phone and read Twitter. And Twitter is very important, and Instagram is very important. So recommend getting a 12-foot charger. Do it. Also recommend on bringing is a mini fan. You don't want to blast the AC if your roommate's like, nah, I'm freezing. So definitely bring a mini fan, because you can put that on your desk and you can put it on your face while your roommate's chilling in the corner like, hey, perfect, because I don't want the AC on. So definitely bring a mini fan. The last thing that I recommend on bringing to college is a long length mirror. Definitely bring a mirror, because say you don't want to go all the way down to your community style bathroom to look at yourself. So make sure to bring a mirror. It's really handy when you want to do makeup, check your outfit out before you go to class. So. And now we are going to hit the things that you should not bring to college, because let me tell you, last year I brought so many unnecessary things to college, and I really want you guys to listen to me and not bring these things because you will not need them. The number one thing that you should not bring to college is like knickknacks. And what I mean by knickknacks are things that just sit in your room and catch dust. You don't need them. You don't need them. Because in college you're going to be studying, you're going to be hanging out with friends, you're not going to be in your room all the time. And those things that are just knickknacks hanging around on your desk or wherever you're putting them are of no use. The second thing that I recommend you guys not to bring to college is excessive amounts of makeup. Oh my goodness. I should not have done this last year, but I brought my whole makeup setup. Like I was gonna be walking down the aisle with dramatic smoky eye every single day. Let me tell you, I used like 3 products in my makeup bin. Like, please don't bring excessive amounts of makeup because you're not going to be doing your makeup every single day. I only did my makeup maybe on the weekends, and sometimes I wouldn't even be doing it. So bring your staple pieces of makeup that you use, like basic, and you'll be set. Like you don't need the whole, like you don't need your palettes, you don't need eyeshadows. Like just bring your foundation, you know, your powder, mascara, and you're set. So definitely don't bring excessive amounts of makeup to college. Another thing that I don't recommend to bring to college is excessive amounts of shoes. Let me tell you, I am a shoe person, so I want every single shoe to be with me when I am at college. But let me tell you, it's not efficient whatsoever. You're not going to be wearing every single pair of shoe, even though I really wanted to. You're going to only need maybe 3 good pairs. But if you're like me and you're a shoe addict, I would bring 5 pairs of shoes. But don't bring excessive amounts because you won't be wearing them. And the last thing that I don't recommend you guys to bring to college is excessive amounts of lotions, hand sanitizers, and perfume. I brought so many perfume bottles with me last year, and I only used 1 the whole year. It was so bad. And they're just going to sit in your room and catch dust. So make sure to only bring 2 good perfumes, like 1 hand sanitizer, 1 lotion, because you're not going to be blowing through those like crazy. So make sure to only bring a little bit of lotions, hand sanitizers, and perfume. And those are all the things that I think you should bring and you should not bring to college. So if you guys have any more questions about college, I'm always going to be here, and I'm actually going to be filming a vlog for my college move-in, which is next week. So I'm super excited to be uploading that because I love college videos because I always just love watching them. But yes, so that is it for my video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yeah, see you next time.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga, move out.